Hey, YouTube, Mark Morris, toldtobethebroke.com, toldtobethebroke.com. You know that engineer building that $150 million business, debt 2008 over 145K. Now I'm out of debt 2024, so I'm trying to teach people. If I can get out of debt during all the high inflation times and crazy stuff with Biden, just stick with you guys are going to actually do what someone's going to at least do the best they can to put some kind of money in your pocket. Make sure you subscribe. Instead of take money out of your pocket to turn men into women and women into men. We already have that now, so make sure you subscribe. Martin Morris, totalbusinesswork.com. A little tight outfit recovery walk. That's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I've been in the gym for the past 3 days. Took Friday off, and now I'm back in the gym for Saturday and Sunday. So make sure you subscribe. Just want you guys to say, don't get caught up in trying to look good. I mean, do not let them trick you into buying a new car right now. Everybody's looking so happy, driving their fancy cars. You know, car delinquency, car repo rates are at the highest ever. You know why? Because people are paying like over $1,000 a month for a car. I mean, even for this, $399. Now, if I were to get a car now, I would lease it. I would not buy a car. Or I would get a car that's 1 or 2 years old. So subscribe. Everyone's trying to have an EV and stuff. Come to my apartment complex. People are fighting over plugs to put the EV into the car and stuff. So I'm sure we'll have some issue coming up with that. Make sure you subscribe. What I want you to do during this new presidency, pay down your debt, number one. Find you some ways, if not to make money, find you ways to save money. And don't worry about taking a vacation. Don't worry about getting a dog. Oh man, I live in an apartment. Dog pissing and shit. I love dogs, but the dog's pissing and shitting because the dog ain't got nowhere to go, man. It's like being in prison. It's like being in jail, man. All you can do is piss and shit. So the dog's like, what do you want me to do, man? Unless you take me out for a walk so I can piss and shit some other place. So make sure you subscribe. As I said, take a break on the dog to at least get you a townhouse. Would you have a little semi-good little patio thing where you can send the dog out? That's what I'm about to do right now. So I'm trying to see if I can save about $24,000 to $30,000 a year for the next 2 years. That'll give me enough for a down payment for a place. So that's my project right now. Or I could take that $35,000 and invest it. Possibly. Best, I'm thinking like if you invest it, you get 5% back. So 30,000 times 5% is, for 10% of 30,000 is 3,000 a year. So half of that would be $1,500 of passive income again. So possibly do that. It's a plan. So right now I'm looking for condos or looking for a house. It's probably going to be something 10 to 15 years old, which is fine, that you're going to fix up. Got to make sure the people around me aren't too crazy. Can't be like, what's that guy who came out and shot the white man, came out and shot the brother because he's using a chainsaw? Come on, bro. You know you were trying to get in that man's ass. Yeah, with a fucking chainsaw in the neighborhood. That's what I say about these neighbors, man. They crazy. I got a guy below me. I don't know what he'd be doing. He comes home, he'd be tap dancing for 10 to 20 minutes. I think he's a little bit slow too, so. Or maybe he's just fucking asshole. Whichever one. Isn't it the same thing? Don't tell the woke people that, man. So subscribe. But I want you guys to pay attention to your money right now. Don't try to buy a dog. Don't worry about going on no vacation, man. Everybody wants to go on a cruise. What am I going to do in France? Unless I'm going to eat some shit or something. I'd be better off going to Denmark and just fuck all the time. I'm not going to do in England and France. Come on. What? Come on, man. Got to go to Denmark. At least I'm a novelty. Hey, let's try the black man. Black man's here. Those other places, they think I'm an immigrant. You know how that's going right now. Subscribe. So I thought I'd holler at you because it's going to be crazy. That's why I say, take care of your money. If you take care of your money, then the government is your friend. If you don't take care of your government, it don't matter who's in power. You ain't got nothing. You ain't worth nothing but a vote. Once that vote's done, you better help them out. Otherwise, you're in deep shit. So subscribe. Thought I'd hit you with some thoughts for today. Summary: don't get a dog. Don't get a Don't get a dog. Don't get a cat. Don't trick them into helping to convince you to buy a car. You know what? Look broke, because you are broke. Unless you're a billionaire or a multi-millionaire like Elon Musk, you don't need to be driving no fancy car. No way, man. So what? So you go shopping at Audis. Subscribe. So that, number 3, just take care of your money. Pay down your debts. Don't get anything you can't pay off. Look for ways to make money. You do those things, and you'll be in great shape to take advantage of the Trump administration. Otherwise, you're going to be broke, because they're going to make your asses pay back those student loans now. Be rest assured. I can't pay my loan. I didn't tell you go to ITD. Subscribe. Later.